Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to embed or add or link or insert a YouTube video into Microsoft Word document. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To insert a YouTube video in Microsoft Word, you need to click on share. Look, you will find here share to Facebook, share to WhatsApp, Skype, Twitter, emails, and many more. And the first option is embed. Now you need to click on embed and you will find here HTML embed code. Just select all and copy this embed code. Click on copy. The link copied to clipboard. Now close the embed video. Now open Microsoft Word document and place your cursor where you want to add the YouTube video. I'm going to add the video in below of my text document. Place cursor here and now click on Insert tab. Under Insert tab, you will find Online Videos Media. Click on Online Videos Media. Here, enter the URL or embed code for the online video. Okay, I'm going to post the embed code here. Click on paste. And embed code has been pasted here. And now you need to click on insert. Click on insert. Look, the video has been added to the Microsoft Word document. Now you can resize the video or you can move the video as you want. Now you can play this video from this Microsoft Word document. Click on the video. Dear viewers, this is the easy way to add YouTube video in Microsoft Word document. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.